Yes, while I'm waiting for a train to pull in, yes, it's true. We found a snake. Well, here's our engine pulling in. The next one I'm gonna circle around the park. The Royal Disney. All right, let's get on the train.
Board.
All aboard.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We've stopped along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. This time, you can keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station.
Goodbye, Mr. Snake.
And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just... Conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? You've got to come this because that is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just sailing a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore. This here's Frontierland, home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big. Just ahead, I heard some new critters are moving in and working to make a splash. Take a listen. We're almost there. This is Frontierland Station.
Toot toot, we're all aboard.
Just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del treno in cui guidi lo spettatore. Fiction for something a bit.
M-O-U-S-E. There you have it. That's how you spell Mickey. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind. And my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland. Where magic. Listen. Hear that?
I think it's finally time I trained my show to stay put. Hey, get back here, Shadow. Shadow. We really must find this girl to
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic children of all ages, we're coming down the track ahead in great suspension. The sensational, the spectacular-rific Fantasyland! This is the place to soar with jumbo. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, these waitments of the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding. That way, you'll start going to the next please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us.
All right, now wait for the final journey. All aboard!
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños.
I love that view, the contemporary area. Knocking down the city.
And I hope you enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming sweeter than the townsfolk is the trees. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. Now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. You can and take them all the way down the platform.
Alright, hope you enjoyed the trip. Now let's go watch the train pull out. There you have it, the Royal Disney engine. Ready to pull out. Friends, I'm so delighted to join you today. There's nothing I enjoy more. Thanks for the train ride. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Till next time, bye.